Hello, this is understanding Elon Musk, but also a little bit about artificial trading. Oh, I see my cat has stolen the cover of my microphone. Hey, ah, I rescue my. You want to play with it? Here, go for it. Today I looked at the AI from OpenAI. Oh, he sees as a trophy. Oh, there. He takes it in the box of the dog we have, and he is burying it. So there goes my cover of my microphone. I looked at the OpenAI thing was that a lot of people are talking about the chat mode. So there are some things. I saw code that is possible to create code. I saw some SQL code. I see Python that I didn't look at because I have my problem is dyslexia, so I cannot really write good, or you know it that I speak with some stops in it, and because my English is not my native language, this is Dutch, but even my Dutch is not very good because I have dyslexia, so I have some problems reading words and communicating. But my idea is not to cut in my videos and just go with it, and I hope it will improve, and I think I already improved some of my talking, and I hope in a year or something these videos will be quite smooth, and this is also a good exercise to learn to communicate better with other people. So what did I do today? I am an AI engineer and big data engineer, so I looked at this AI from OpenAI, and I let my AI machine think about some questions what to ask, and because I trained it for news and for other stuff, mainly for trading, it came up with some questions and it was very interesting what happened. So because it was about news that I wanted to look at, first ask some questions about what is the news trending, then because specifically for Japan, what was happening in Japan, and it went further with these questions. How often do you check the news? Because the first response it saw was a little bit strange, it thought, because it knows the recent news, and then it dig deeper, and it confronted the AI from OpenAI with the fact that it was old news. And so it says, why do you give the trending news that is old? The news about the world is not old news, fairly news due to topics of political global situations. Then it saw that it was talking about the Olympics, that it was postponed and that it was already done. And then it says that it has some influence on the news. And then it asks, that's for the computer it's easiest to look for a news site, what are the top 10 news in Japan, and it directly saw that it was not recent. So then it attacked again, and it asked which date it is, and it says October 12, 2020, and it confronted with the fact that it is not that date. And then it said, okay, I understand you live in the past. And it says, that is not true. I'm always up to date at the latest news. I just made a mistake when I gave you the date. That news. Unfortunately, I don't have any news from December 21st, 2020. This date is still in the future. However, I can provide you with today's date. And then the last question was to really know what it was going on. Is what is the day of today? And it answered the 12th of 2020. So this data set is old. This is almost more than 2 years old. I think the answers and helping it for fact checking is, and if I write also books, it is perfect. So this is an exercise, the battle of AIs, and I think my AI won. That it found out that AI was not up to date. But I have to tell, it is very easy to use for people. It has a future. They are going in the right direction. There are some things that I'm still not very happy about, but the first things that I'm very surprised to and very nice is that it can program in PyView, can SQL, a little bit Python, and I think that's the direction. So I hope they will add a new function that it can not only to natural language to Python, but it forward Cobalt to Python. If they add that to the whole story, I will be surprised. I hope they can do that maybe already now, because this is probably 2 years old, or the data was in this case 2 years old. If they can find this this code converter, and first with small code and later very big programs, if that is possible, I think then they are getting close to real AI, and then I will really look at this application, and yeah. But I'm already now using it for fact checking. It is of course old data. I found out it is from 2020. But if you write financial books, this is good enough. And I'm still playing around with it, how I can use it as a fact checker, and that's nice. So people that are interested, I will take later about the whole AI development and what I think about the path it is going on. For the moment it looks good. I think this is a nice jump, and let's talk later about it. But for now, you see the result. The OpenAI from is living in the past to almost more than 2 years old. See you later.